About this item 1. The tripod mount ring support foot is tailor-made for Canon RF 600mm F11 ISSTM and Canon RF 800mm F11 ISSTM, can't be used for other lenses. The measuring volume of the replacement foot is about 91 mm, L, x 38.5 mm, W, x 31 mm, H, without screws, and net weight is about 95 g, 2. The lens collar stand is made based on the lens structure, the screw holes are precisely coordinated, and the anti-skid positioning pin is designed. It is locked by spring screws, with wavy handles. 3. The tripod collar stand bottom is added 45mm long Arca fit quick release plate feature, can be used with 39mm Arca Swiss fit tripod ball head, panoramic head, and clamp directly, more practical than lens collars without QR plate. The lens collar base bottom reserved 1/4 and 3/8 screw holes and stainless steel anti-slip screw for fixing lens to tripod directly. 4. This lens collar support base bottom's dovetail groove is 39mm Arca Swiss standard, compatible with RRS/Arca Swiss/PMG/Wimberley/Markin/Photoclam/Sunway Photo/Benro/Surui/Marsas/iShoot ball head of Arca 39mm fit. Suitable for iShoot ISJZ30/ISJZ50/ISJZ54/ISQJ58/ISQJ64FD/ISJZ60BK/ISJZ70MFT/ISJZ80BK.